Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best pepper grinder you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best pepper grinder on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which pepper grinder are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt and other solid grain seasonings. Battery powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties and outdoor picnics. This electric pepper grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button, simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered, each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper grinder use a high quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt and other solid grain seasonings. Battery powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties and outdoor picnics. Transparent acrylic material at the bottom allows you to see the remaining spices and convenient to distinguish the spices in the grinder. With the blue LED light, blue light is not only bright but also gentle, you can easily to see amount of pepper, salt and other grain you put in your food. Electric pepper grinder uses a high quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. For details, let's watch more. Our second best pepper grinder is Troublewind Pepper Grinder. With 5 grinding settings for adjustable coarseness, this pepper grinder mill and stable grind design make quick smooth work. With unique design, contemporary look that BPA-free acrylic bottle body, premium material, this pepper mill is more durable and looks more elegant in your kitchen. Tightly sealed lid keeps your sea salt, peppercorn medley, spices fresh and by keeping out moisture. Just open the top round lid and rinse it under the faucet to be as clean as new. One-step refill: simply pull up on the top round lid section to reach the chamber and pour in your freshly new peppercorns or coarse sea salt. Maintain the freshness, keep moisture and dust away. The salt and pepper grinder's mill's ergonomic on its outward 6.74 inch by 2.37 inch body to ensure that you can hold it in hand comfortably without worrying about it dropping out when using. Number 3 in our list is OXO Good Grips Pepper Grinder. The sleek and stylish OXO Good Grips Pepper Grinder is an ideal addition to any kitchen or dining table. This manual grinder has stainless steel accents and a clear acrylic body, so you'll know when it's time to refill. Rotate the tab to choose one of 5 levels of grind, from fine to coarse. An airtight lid keeps peppercorns fresh and dry while the non-slip grip allows for easy, comfortable use. Grind and serve from the top for mess-free storage. Comes pre-filled with black peppercorns. The coarseness selector is visible and easy to adjust on the side of the grinder, allowing you to grind fine pepper on your salad and quickly switch to coarsely ground pepper to coat your steak, all without fiddling with small knobs. That's the feature we liked best in testing and subsequent kitchen use, and the reason we love this for kitchen use where we might change the grind size multiple times for different recipes. For details, let's watch more. fourth recommendation in our side is Home EC Pepper and Salt Grinder. With high quality glass, this Home EC salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy and user-friendly addition to your kitchen. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Salt and pepper not included. This tightly sealed stainless steel lid keeps your Himalayan sea salt, peppercorn medley, and spices fresh and long-lasting by keeping out moisture. The salt and pepper grinders have the grinding mechanism on the top of the shakers, ensuring salt and pepper ends up only on your food, not all over your table or counter. This salt and pepper mills are 5-inch tall, and each salt shaker and pepper shaker will hold up to 3/4 cup or 6 ounces of the salt, pepper or the spice of your choice. Just unscrew the grinder from the bottle to refill. Refills are easy and mess-free thanks to our wide mouth opening and the included silicone funnel. Made with high-quality materials, our grinders don't just look good, they're built to last. Keep your grinders clean by simply wiping the ceramic grinder with a clean cloth. Then toss the glass in the dishwasher for a complete wash. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best pepper grinder list is Finamill Pepper Grinder. This Finamill comes with interchangeable pods, allowing a single grinder to handle a variety of peppercorns. It's battery powered, so it's ideal for when you need a lot of spice, and it's easy to use with one hand. In case there are already too many pepper grinders in the house, the set includes 2 pods for pepper, salt, and other dry spices like dried rosemary. Separate pods are available for grinding oily spices such as mustard seeds, as well as additional pods for dry spices. Refilling our spice pod is a breeze with its wide opening. Spice pod is BPA-free. Grinding elements are made of ceramic, durable and long-lasting. Adjustment knob is located on the bottom of the spice pod. Choose the coarseness to your liking just with a twist. This package comes with 2 Fina Pod Express. They are great for peppercorns, salt, dried minced garlic, dried chopped onion, dried rosemary and more.